Today I would like to introduce you to our newest listing located at 4423 Stonemeadow Court, located in Scioto Township, which is just west of Ann Arbor. Now, being located in the township, you want to know that your taxes will be 30% lower than the properties located within the city limits. So built in 2005, this exquisite arts and crafts ranch is located on a beautifully landscaped 2.71 acre parcel of land. Now, the house features a total of 4,688 square feet, which includes also the lower level. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a study. So let's come on in and take a look. So as I walk into the home, you're going to notice the expansive floor plan. You'll notice that there are 4-inch hardwood floors. There are 9 to 12-foot ceilings throughout, lots of windows, and you've also got 8-foot solid cherry doors. Off to our left off the foyer is the dining room. The living room is just an amazing place to relax. If you notice, there's tall cathedral ceilings. You've got an amazing wall of windows looking out over the beautifully manicured backyard. And we've also got a double-sided fireplace which feeds into the family room and then the kitchen. As I leave the living room, I'm heading here into the family room. And again, it's another great space for entertaining and relaxing. There are tall, vaulted ceilings. You've got a fireplace back behind us here. You've got huge windows looking over the backyard. And then here to the left is the kitchen. Now, this is a kitchen to entertain in. You got a huge 7x7 island with granite countertops. We've got cherry cabinets, high-end appliances, and a tile backsplash. What's really great about this kitchen, your friends can be sitting over here on the other side of the bar as you're preparing the meal here in the kitchen. We've also got in the front of the house here a breakfast nook where you can enjoy your mornings. What I love about this primary bedroom is you've got a south-facing wall, lots of windows, which bring in a lot of light. You've got vaulted ceilings. And to really make this great, you've got a door leading out to a deck where you can enjoy your coffee in the morning. You've got a walk-in closet, and then of course you've got the primary bathroom. So the primary bath features a his and her vanity. We've got a jacuzzi tub with large windows so you can look out the backyard, and then a steam shower. So also located on the first floor are an additional 2 bedrooms. There's also a study with a coffered ceiling and built-in bookshelves and cabinets. And finally, first floor laundry. The view-out basement consists of 2,200 square feet of finished space, and that was redone back in 2022. Now it's got all new carpeting, it's got new wood trim. You'll notice that there's a wet bar over here with a refrigerator. We've got a fireplace back behind us here, wonderful views of the backyard. Then behind me here we have a gym room, and we also have a home theater for your entertainment. So the remainder of the basement consists of an additional bedroom, that's the 4th bedroom, along with its own bath. We also have a wine cellar, and then an amazing unfinished portion of the house which is ideal for your storage needs. And there's also a huge cedar closet. Now the home does come with Category 5 network wiring. There's also 3 Wi-Fi enabled thermostats and 240-watt wiring to the garage with a Wi-Fi enabled deadbolt on the door from the garage into the home. The backyard is an absolute delight. Just imagine spending your summer evenings here. You've got multiple decks, you've got a bluestone patio, you've got a fire pit and 2 pergolas looking out over the beautifully landscaped backyard. Well, I want to thank you for taking the tour with me. And if you're interested in a private showing, please feel free to give me a call at the office at 734-761-3060. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll be able to stay on top of our new listings as they come down the road.